The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back, dears. So, I know you all are eagerly waiting for a new session, is it? Okay. So, last class we have discussed about an application software. What is that? Yes, database management system. Is it? So, we are using to access data, is it? For storing the data and retrieving the data, is it? Okay. So, we have discussed about how to create a database file in LibreOffice base. Is it? And we have created a table. Okay, so let's start our session. Okay, today we are going to discuss about how we can enter the details in LibreOffice base using the format, that is forms. We'll see how to enter the details and how we can create a form. So here we can enter the data into table using the forms. In database section, we have the option forms in that opening window. Is it? And that you can select use wizard to create form. Okay, and we have created the table structure, is it? By giving the different field name. Okay, so after opening using wizard to create form, you will get a dialog box like this. In this, you can go for the different steps. The first one is you have to select the field selection. What are the field you have to enter? So you can select from the table 1 or what are the tables you have. You can select the particular table from this. Okay, and after that, after selecting the table, you can see the different fields in that table. So here you can choose what are the fields you have to include. And here you can use a double arrow. That means you can include all the field into this form, or else you can select by one. After selecting here, you can click on this first arrow. So you can include the field, the required field in this section, that is in the form. After that, click next. It will go for the another section. So like this, you can go for that 2, 3 and the 4th fold. And in the 5th step, you have to select the form design. They will give a different inbuilt design. You can choose that format. So in that only we are going to enter the content. Okay, and after that just go to the apply styles and here you can click finish. So your form format will be displayed. Okay, so these are the steps here I have included in this. Okay, that is how we can create the forms into the forms in LibreOffice base. How we can open the database file, in that you have the option. After the table section in the so here you can select forms in this database panel. Here you can see that tables, queries, and here you have the option forms. Okay, and after selecting the form, you can select the option use wizard to create table. See, after creating the tables only we can enter the data. Okay. So go to use wizard to create table. And next you have to, after you clicking that or after selecting use wizard to create table, you will get this section. Okay. And next you can select the options whatever I have shown in this section and click finish. Okay. You can select the available field and the controls. And after that you can save the sections. Okay. So after completing this, you will get a design like this. If you are selecting this type of design means you will get the section here. Okay, you have to include image means you can use the field in the table creation. You can include image type. Okay, so like this you can enter the content and click on and press enter key or click on the next record. Okay, how many details you have added means it will added in them. You can see the number of records here. Okay, so I will show you these contents in practical session. So let's go for that. Okay. Let's start our activity. Today we are going to discuss about how to design forms in LibreOffice Base to enter the details in a database or in a table. Okay, let's start. Go to application. Here we have Office and select LibreOffice Base. Is it? So it is a software which used to manage the database content. Is it? It is an application software. So I am again creating the new database. Select next and save and process. Okay, just I am creating the database 1, or you can open this new one. So we'll select database which is already exist. Okay, we have done in the last class, and just click open. Here you will get the option so select the tables which we have created already, that is admission number, student name and date of birth and classes. So in this we have to create the form. So go to forms in this database panel and select use visa to create form from this task panel, and here you will get in dialog box like this. In this we have selected the tables from the table 1 and which are the content you have to use. If I need 1 or 2 means you can select by this, or else I can click on this double arrow, so all the values will be present in this form. Okay, and click next step. No need of creating any subforms. Click on the next one. So here you can arrange the controls, how the alignment should be in the main form. If you need means you can select like this. So after selecting you can see that arrangement of the forms. Okay, it is in Excel or Calc style. It is in another form, or else here it is in column format, or else the columns in a left section. Okay, you can choose any type and select the next one. No need to apply anything. Here you can select the colors for your form. Okay, and here you can apply the 3D section, or if you know no need of any border means you can choose like this. Okay, and next if you need any color changes means you can apply here and click next. Next we are going to save the form, that is you can save by table 1 form, any name you can give. Okay, you should remember that. Clear, and click finish. So your form will be displayed here. Now you can enter the data into this table. Just type the admission number is any values. You can give any name you can apply. Okay, like this you can type, and after that just click enter. Here you can see how many records we have. Now which record is displaying, second one. Here you can type any another one. And the student name is Here it is. Admission number, student name, and date of birth, classes. Is it? So we have studied that about primary key. Why we are using? If any repetition means it will not accept it. Let's see the repetition number. The last record. What is the admission number? 3452. Is it? So now we can just type 3452 and we can give the name, and here it is. We can type all the details. Okay, just press enter key. It will not accept. Why? It is repeating. Here it shows that error. Is it? Just remove that number and now you can enter the values. It have accepted. Is it? So like this you have that different format. You can enter the values. Clear? We'll see these values have stored in the table. After completing this, you just close here. Close the form. Now just go to tables. Here you can see the value which we have entered. Okay, can you see that? This is our table in the database, and here it is the form. Whenever you need, you can open and type. The first section, second one, third, you can analyze by this. Clear? Okay students, so these are the things we have discussing today, and complete the steps. Okay, and watch the activity clearly. Okay, it's an important one. We'll see you with a new topic. Bye students. I hope you have understood the content and complete the steps. Write it and send it to me as a PDF file. Most of you have sent in the files properly. So we'll see you with the new topic.